Emeka, where have you been? Emeka, why aren't you answering me?
You need to do something, Ada.
What? You've been gone for 6 months and this is the first thing you say to me?
You need to follow me. Tonight, we must swear the oath with blood, sand and water.
What kind of sick joke is this? What oath?
It is the tradition of my people. The bloodline demands it.
Tradition? We were married in a church, Emeka. You never mentioned anything about blood and sand.
I didn't know. I didn't know it would come for us until I was away.
You're a liar. You know everything about your family's history. You kept those dusty scrolls in the attic. You spoke to those elders in the village at night.
It doesn't matter what I knew. What matters is the ultimatum.
What ultimatum?
You do it, or this marriage is over. It's over. Today, you will be dead to this family, and I will take Toby.